Hey everybody, welcome back to Terra Mater Gardens. Today we're diving into the world of the hairy sand beetle, a species of tiger beetle, which is known for its remarkable speed and adaptability to sandy habitats. Found in parts of North America, particularly along sandy shores of rivers, lakes, and coastal regions, this beetle gets its name from the fine hairs that cover its body. It's a predator by nature, hunting small insects in its environment. One of the most interesting traits of the hairy sand beetle is its incredible speed. They're among the fastest insects on the earth, capable of running so fast that they momentarily lose ability to see clearly, relying on rapid bursts of movement to catch their prey. The hairy sand beetle typically measures about 0.5 to 0.75 inches in length. It has a bronze or greenish brown body covered in tiny hairs, particularly around the thorax. Its long legs and sharp mandibles are adapted for chasing down and capturing prey. These beetles' large, bulging eyes give it excellent vision, which it uses to spot prey and potential threats in a sandy environment. Hairy sand beetles are commonly found in sandy open environments such as dunes, riverbanks, and coastal areas that require loose, sandy soil to dig burrows where they lay their eggs and find protection. Their distribution stretches across parts of the United States and Canada, where they thrive in warm, sunny areas with minimal vegetation. These beetles are voracious predators, feeding on other small insects such as ants, spiders, and flies. They rely on their speed to chase down prey in short, rapid sprints. When threatened, they often rely on their agility to escape, rather than feigning death like some other beetle species. In captivity, hairy sand beetles can be challenging to keep due to their need for a specific sandy habitat. A terrarium with a deep layer of sand, 2 to 3 inches, in an area of direct sunlight is essential for their health and behavior. The enclosure should be dry and warm, around 75 to 85 degrees. These beetles are solitary hunters and should be housed alone, as they may exhibit aggressive behavior toward other beetles or insects. While they are not commonly kept as pets, hairy sand beetles are of interest to entomologists and insect enthusiasts for observation and study. They serve as important indicators of ecosystem health, particularly in sandy habitats. In captivity, their care requires precise environmental conditions, and they may not thrive without proper attention to habitat and diet. That's all for the hairy sand beetle. These speedy predators are a marvel of the insect world, perfectly adapted to life in sandy environments. And if you found this guide informative, don't forget to like and share. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of unique and fascinating creatures.